Hello, this is SGM Studio Go Mocap. I'm here to give you a run through of a pipeline I've been building to take sign language videos and turn them into 3D digital assets. See, first we go and run this script that brings the video in. Then we go and set markers for every key pose we want. We could, in theory, do this for all of them, but it will just take more time. I want to go see the whole hands there. Yep, go back, forth, get as many as we feel we need. Then go. Yep, just going on there. See how many we need. And there we go. Now we go and render the marks frames. And then we go and run the AI SM3D, the SAM3D. It's under the SEB add-on, Studio add-on. It runs the SAM3D model on the various rendered poses and then creates them and turns them into an animation. It takes a little bit of time, so in the meantime, I'm just going to say I got this video from Pexels by a gentleman named Tima. I will include their name. YouTube was mean and would not let me include a link because I'm new to YouTubing. So hopefully I can link them in the comments there. But yeah, it just goes and generates this. And we go. And here we go. And a reminder, please don't train on people on data that's not given to that purpose. It's just rude. So now we can batch generate from folder. Give it a second, and let's go compare what we've got. As you can tell, the feet have no idea where they're going, but this is very easy to fix and clean up. See there? Got pretty good mapping on there, but no facial data. Luckily, there's another tool we have that can help do that pretty quickly. It is FaceCap Pro. It is a paid add-on. You can get that on SuperHive, but it's a pretty good starting point, and you can take these animations and then put them on to whatever rig you would like to for further cleanup. Go run second script to just get everything all packaged up and nice. And now here's where we go and grab the facial data. FaceCap Pro does allow for you to automatically run this through Python, so it's just going to run. We wait a minute. And we keep waiting. If you're a billionaire watching this, please send me GPUs. Okay, so this brings up a little head, and we're going to do our shift things there. And we can see it matches the frame rate there and has all of them. So we now have all the necessary add-ons we have for quick cleanup. So this is all done pretty quickly and didn't need online access, and you can go and now take this data for use it for whatever your next purpose is.